Creating a free diagnostic order at FoxPaw Kiosk is an easy and quick process. First, you will select the Place Order button. Next, you will select the Create New Order button. Then, you will select the device type. After that, you will select the manufacturer. Next, you will select your device and select Free Diagnostic. At this point, you will provide a brief description of what is wrong with your device and select Next. If you have a passcode or a pattern passcode, you would enter it in here. At this point, the kiosk will give you an estimate of when your repair will be done. Select Next. If you would like to add an accessory, you can do it on this screen. Then select Next, or just select Next if you do not want to purchase an accessory. On this screen, you will enter in your information and select Next. The kiosk will give you a summary of your order. If everything looks okay, select Submit. At this point, the door on the machine will open and you will put your device in the machine, and then select Next. On the final screen, you will be able to see your order number. This order number will also be emailed to you.